In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the inventory in your Shopify store. Managing inventory effectively is crucial for running a successful online business, ensuring that your products are well stocked and that you're always in the know. Let's dive in step by step and explore how to make this process seamless and efficient. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your dashboard. From here, you'll locate and click on the Products tab. This area is essentially the heart of your inventory management, showcasing all the items you have listed in your store. Look closely at this list and choose the specific product that you'd like to manage. Simply click on the product title to open its details page, where you can make adjustments as needed. On this page, you'll find an Inventory section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see an option to enable inventory tracking. This is a vital step. By enabling inventory tracking, Shopify will automatically keep tabs on your stock levels, updating them as customers place orders. It's a great feature that saves time and minimizes the chance for error, so I highly recommend turning this on if you haven't already. With inventory tracking enabled, you'll be able to set and adjust the quantity of each product you have in stock. Simply enter the number into the provided field to update your current inventory levels. It's important to keep this information as accurate as possible to avoid overselling or running out of stock unexpectedly. Next, consider setting up inventory alerts. In the same inventory tracking section, you'll find a setting for low stock notifications. These alerts will send you a notification when your stock levels fall below a certain threshold, which can be vital for making sure you restock items before they run out. Another handy feature within the Shopify system is the Continue Selling When Out of Stock option. You can check or uncheck this box depending on whether you want to allow customers to purchase items that you have temporarily run out of. This option can be beneficial if you're expecting new stock soon and don't want to lose potential sales, but keep in mind it may lead to delays in shipping and potentially unhappy customers. As we wrap things up, remember that regularly reviewing your inventory levels is key to smooth operations. Make it a habit to periodically check your inventory and make adjustments as needed. You might find it helpful to establish a routine, perhaps at the start or end of each week, to make sure everything is accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your Shopify inventory like a pro. With careful attention and regular updates, your store will be running efficiently, and your customers will be happy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips make your inventory management more straightforward and effective.